comfort to you. Ain't got nothing to do with where you are, or where you've been, or where you're going. Comfort to you has got something to do with who you are, and how you've loved, and how you've pain, and how you've sorrow. Until you know that who you are ain't too far from the truth. So walk on down that avenue to desolate and dangerous truth, where comfort cries and captured calm, past beyond its fear or calm, holding on and holding on. A revolution of mine has comfort to you makes no difference with or without it. You know you're gonna be fine either way. Comfort to you goes right through you and travels away. Why would it stay? It travels away from your love to your pain, where it remains until you know that all you know